On today's episode of Watch Shea Ergo, we try to take the Plasti-Dip off the Volvo S60. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Shea Ergo, and today we're headed to O'Reilly's to try to find Goo Gone Automotive. I was looking at the dip dissolver because somebody mentioned it in the comments in the last video, and that looks like exactly what we need. But it's $40 and it takes forever to get here, and none of that is good. I did some quick Googling and everyone says this Goo Gone Automotive, which I think O'Reilly's is going to have, will do exactly what dip dissolver does. So it's also only $10 instead of $36 something shipped. That sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. We're taking the one wheel to O'Reilly's right now. That's what we were looking for.
Yep, have a good man.
Later, X. I can't reach. All right, thanks, dude. Later. Got what we came for. Now, time to get to work. There's a bonus benefit to this too. Not only are the wheels on this Plasti-Dip, then I have to get that sticker residue off. Somebody Plasti-Dipped the wheels on my Camaro, and they're absolutely hideous. So I can't wait to get that Plasti-Dip off. I'm just gonna go around helping everybody out, taping Plasti-Dip off cars. So I've heard we need a high pressure washer and apply Goo Gone to mess, allow a few minutes for Goo Gone to begin working, a wipe clean. People have said that you can just high pressure wash clean. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna go get a high pressure washer and a hose. We're gonna spray it down with the Goo Gone, get the Plasti-Dip off, and help save the world one wheel at a time. Gabe came through with the high pressure washer, and now we just have to string this hose out, fire this bad boy up, and get to cleaning. High pressure washer needs a little maintenance first. They always do, don't they? This O-ring is cracked, as you can see, and one of them's missing. So headed back to O'Reilly's to try to buy some O-rings. Well, let's find out if my O-rings worked. I grabbed a little silicone lube, sprayed down the connectors there. The O-rings are on. As you can see, I'll choke on, full strength right there. All right, there's full throttle. Let's see if my O-rings work, or if the pump works. Yeah! I know I'm supposed to be working on the Volvo, but I really wanted to get this done. Here comes the test. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna film this and high pressure wash at the same time, but I'm gonna try. It works! This Goo Gone Automotive is pure magic. Take a look at this. I set the high pressure washer to fan. Now that is the best Plasti-Dip experience I've ever had in my life, right there. Just finished up the first pass on the Camaro. This video is a double header. I didn't think we were gonna be doing Camaro things today. I just plan on working on the Volvo. But hey, today we made improvements to the Camaro. And the next thing I wanted to do was find the powder coat color for the factory silver on these wheels and have them factory powder coated till they looked perfect again. But they're looking pretty good right now. This is just the first pass with the Goo Gone. We're really getting all the Plasti-Dip off. That looks way better. You can see where they really thinned out on the Plasti-Dip right there. None of that came off. So I'm gonna let it dry, hit it again. We're gonna go get the Volvo and get that thing soaking. It seems like you need to let this stuff sit for about 10 minutes to do its magic before you start washing. That was the one that's not the longest, and it's also the cleanest. The Camaro is as good as it's ever going to get, at least for now. There's a little bit in there that some of this just won't come off. This is apparently spray paint. It looks glossy. I think they did a test area with spray paint, and yeah, whatever that is rock solid. It will not come off. I had the high pressure washer bearing down on that, so that's weird. Somebody just felt like ruining it. A lot of these wheels look way better. Little spots that can still be scratched off. So on to the Volvo. I hope this goes a lot better because it looks like the Plasti-Dip was laid on a lot thicker by someone who had maybe Plasti-Dipped a few times before. So we're gonna spray the Goo Gone on there. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go to work with the high pressure washer. I've been spraying on a ton of the Goo Gone. It seems to work really well if you coat it really heavily. So we're about out. It was a full bottle this morning. It's been a few minutes, here we go. If you were doing this by hand with WD-40, what I just did in like 45 seconds would take an hour. So this is pretty impressive stuff. All right, I'm probably 45 minutes into these wheels and that one's perfect. And this one is, I was gonna say it's perfect, but it looks like I missed a little bit right there. And I haven't got the lug holes out there. And over here, I got a long way to go. There's quite a bit to do on this wheel and there is a ton to do on this wheel. So I'm gonna hit them again with the Goo Gone and keep cranking. And I'm finally on the last wheel. As you can see, the sun is basically set by now, but I've got 3 wheels done. So just finishing up the last little bit. That is what I'm talking about. I'll throw a link in the description for this stuff because it does work and I would highly suggest it over dip dissolver because why would you spend $30 extra for the exact same bottle? Anyway, check it out. There's the wheels. Back to looking OEM and silver. They're barely curbed. This one just has a couple little scratches. Wait, no? One of them has a couple little scratches, I promise you. That one, look right there. You can see it got a little curb rash, but these wheels look amazing. The car looks new. I might actually have this detailed just to get it back to perfect. It's honestly too close to perfect as is. So we need to get a little finishing touch here, and that is getting off this impound sticker there. Then I'll hit it with a little more water. Let's see how well this gel works. I'll let it drip down there for a second. Mediocre on adhesives, better on Plasti-Dip, honestly. Well, my finishing touch is a bust, and now I'm gonna have to get a bunch of water on there to get the citrus remover off, and we'll switch to maybe alcohol. I bet alcohol takes it right off. That sticker was no match for the wonder that is isopropyl alcohol and water. Completely gone with 2 seconds of work. Plasti-Dip removed. I'm pretty happy about the way this all turned out. The Camaro looks better. The Volvo looks better. We made progress on cars. And next up, we fixed the mechanical issues on the Volvo. We might jump back to the R8 for a bit because obviously I'm gonna have to wait for parts for this. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. It works! High pressure relief when you're starting this high pressure washer doesn't work. So now it's building pressure when I try to pull it, and I have to go get the hose and hold the wand, and oh, it's just such a mess. See if it'll start. Big nope.